on.
Awesome, man. Sweet.
You like it?
I love it.
This is your custom Victory gunner. I know when we met about a month ago, we talked over a few things, and for the last couple months, I'm sure you've been in limbo. What the hell's going on? But
Yeah.
took all your advice. We know you wanted the blues, you wanted a fairing, handlebars, pipes.
You're the only one that's got a set of pipes like these.
Talked about some wheels, went up in the wheel size, and all in all, hey, we couldn't be happier with it. We couldn't be happier it's going to you. One last thing before we forget, these are yours. Congratulations.
Sweet.
All right.
Thank you.
Hey.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Pretty cool, I mean, to be part of it. I mean, that's the kind of stuff like, again, you see on TV.